Hello everyone, in front of me I have OPPO Reno 14 and in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you top 5 hidden tricks on this smartphone, so stay with me and watch the full video to know your smartphone better. Enjoy watching! So I was testing this smartphone for a little while, and based on my personal use of this device and also years in tech tutorials, I can tell you that there is more than 5 hidden tricks on this smartphone that will make your life easier and usage of your smartphone will be better. But in this tutorial I will show you only a few of them. Let me first get started by opening the settings and then scroll down to move to the display and brightness. In here on the bottom we have a very important thing, which is a screen refresh rate. This is a setting that you should change as soon as you get this smartphone, because it makes a huge difference of how you use your smartphone, and the animations looks better, the visual effects are better. So if you are a fan of playing mobile games, then these settings will be just the best for you, and trust me, it will be more efficient than if you choose in these settings the auto select or standard option. Must have in here is the high option. It gives you a refresh rate up to 120 Hz. So in games you can have 120 FPS, which is a very good amount, and 60 Hz is a very low amount. So you see a difference on the preview here. You also can see the difference between this high and standard screen refreshing rate. Also, I can tell you that high option here consumes more battery power, but it is worth to enabling it and make your smartphone runs as good as possible always. On the bottom we have app specific refreshing rate, and this is also a good option because, for example, we can search for Google Chrome. Some of the applications have a default screen refreshing rate, and you need to change it manually to have a better screen refreshing rate. In this case we can switch to 120 instead of 90 Hz, which is a good option. There is a lot of applications like this, so you have to search for yourself in applications you want to use in a better screen refreshing rate. Alright, so this is the first option. Now let's move on to the next thing. So get back and scroll down to system and update. In these settings we have to open the language and it wasn't it. Sorry, it was in accessibility and convenience. Yeah, this is the proper settings. So we have here a lot of features, trust me, and all of them are worth to stay for a while and talk about, but we don't have this time in this video. So what I'm gonna show you is this smart sidebar. Some of the people don't like it and want to turn it off, but a lot of people likes to have additional quick access tiles like this for a lot of things. And also what is good is a file dock, but I will talk about it later. So in these settings we have to get into the smart sidebar, and in here we can switch it on or off completely. We can get into the floating bar and adjust our smart sidebar icon. We can hide it or auto hide it. So like this you can see it is the transparency is very low, but if I click on it, then it will be higher. In here we can adjust a lot of things like a transparency size, up and down on the side, the location of it, or we can change from the right to left, depends of course of your preferences. Make this future suits to your expectations. Now in here we can enable the smart functions. It is recommended for actions you might want to perform based on the app or service you are using. It may be helpful, but decide for yourself. File dock, it is the interesting feature because you can drag and drop images and text from the any of the sites. Then it will be saved in a file dock and you can get back later to your notes that you make or some files you drag there. And also you can easily share from them this information, so it is worth to activate this option if you're studying a lot or working. It would be helpful for you. These two features, it's not that so you can show recent files. It's obviously this is the recent files. You can turn it on or off, it depends of your needs. And also you can use the app names. I think you should leave it on because it is good to know about the tiles you are looking for, not only the icon, because who remembers all of the icons. Then if you finish with a smart sidebar, then get back to the previous page, and in here we have another useful option for people like me with small hands, the one-handed mode. It is a very good option. Unluckily there is no one-handed mode for free system buttons navigations. I do like free buttons navigation type instead of gestures. So for people who uses free navigations buttons, you have to switch to the gestures if you want to use this mode. And this mode allows us to minimize our screen and use it only with one hand. So if I'm walking with a dog outside or I don't know, taking a bus, this is very helpful because it is hard to me for reaching all of the corners and all of the parts of my screenshot using only with one hand. So I'm gonna turn it on, and also the gestures in a system navigation. No, I don't want to learn about it. Now I can switch it on and just swipe down on the home button to open my device in a one-handed mode. If you want to quit this mode, just swipe up on the screen or tap on the empty field here so you can get back to the normal size. I'm not gonna leave it on because like I said, I like to free buttons type navigation. It's gonna make me nervous if I'm using a gesture, so I won't do this. Now get to the accessibility and convenience one more time, because we have here another things that I wish to talk about. So for people who uses gloves in work, this is a very cool option to have, because you can move to on your display in gloves that make your display be more reactive for your touches. So this is very good option to have. In here also we should open the screenshot and make sure that you set up the screenshots to your own needs, like turning on all of the possible ways to take a screenshot by using a side keys, by using three fingers swipe down like this. What we can see on the screenshots, like a status bar and navigation bar, you want to hide it on the screenshot, you can change the sound and other things, like the placement of the preview after taking a screenshot, I mean this area in here. So if you finish with this, get into the gestures and motions. Also we can enable some cool features like raise to wake. If you raise your phone, then it will automatically wake your smartphone, so this is a good option to have. For some people uses often a flashlight. It's good to turn on or off the flashlight with a volume button. So if you press and hold the volume button, the flashlight will be open very quickly, and you can get access to your flashlight within a second, which is very cool. So yeah, that was it. And the last thing will be a private space, because protecting our data from strangers is very important, and it's good to make a private space on your smartphone with all the important data that you want to save. To do this, we have to get into the security and privacy, scroll down and move to private save. Now we have to set a password, so I'm gonna use 3 ones, then I'm using it again to confirm the password. I have to set in here the recovery mail or answer the question. My former teacher's name is A, obviously, then press done, and now you have access to your private safe space. In here we can save some images, audio files, documents and other files, so our data will be well secured. In here we can tap on the 3 dots and get into the settings, then get into the privacy password, enter it, and we have access to all of the safe space settings. If you want to delete the safe space, then you will have to turn off password, wait 5 seconds, then verify you want to turn it off by using password, and then you will be here is your safe place. That was all of the possible settings that I wish to show you in this video. There are a lot of more important features, but I'm not gonna talk about all of them. We have a low time amount. I think I show you enough things to think about on your smartphone. Please leave a like if I help you, leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!